Good morning, my sweetie.
Morning, Baba.
Okay, today I am going to tell about everyone has two wolves our inside, one good and other bad. And who has good wolf and always optimistics, hopeful, self-aware, enlightened. And how can I help the people and always start to reading good commenter, determination, intent hard work, accepting ideas of others, and many things, and anything thrown at him, he can convert into his prosperity. Always start to thinking about prosperity instead of poverty, and many more. That is who has good wolf, that is positivity. And who has negative wolf? Wolf mean will dog, fox. That mean jackal. And who has bad wolf? Always compete, start to I am the best, I have many more luxurious things, always compete and hopeless, cruel and anger, arrogant, cruel and arrogant like a Snow White stepmother, isn't it? Yes, cruel, that is his trait and property, habit, characteristic. Always feel jealous after thinking others property, start to feel jealous and angry. How could I capture other property? This egoistic and lazy procrastination. Procrastination has nothing to do with being lazy. Everything, all type of negative, he accept and he's around. Okay, my daughter, please, I want to learn. I want to hear from you. This two wolf, positivity, negativity, is in Bible also. There is two apple were there, and one good apple and other bad apple. And Almighty Bhagwan, God always tell, don't touch. This is to one good apple and other one bad apple. Adam and Hawa, that is male and female. Then one couple was for caregiver, caregiver, take caring this garden, that garden, almighty garden. But there was two apple, and they tasted that is bad apple. Bad apple shining very very excellent from outside, shining beautiful from outside, but inside poisonous. And bad apple was, and they had an effect, that is negativities. And same thing is Bhagavad Gita. This is, there is also two birth, one good birth and one bad birth. That is good birth, always optimistic, or bad birth, that is competitive. That mean good birth, that mean positivity your soul, and negativity your mind. That is soul and mind. I am going to tell about soul and mind. Your soul always calm, patient. Okay, thank you. Go on, my daughter. I think you understood very well, and I want to hear your skill.
Yes, as you told, everyone have that tool inside them. One is positive and one is negative.
Yes, everyone has.
Yeah, everyone has. And and then which are negative and which are not so good for us. They are shining and looking so good from the outside, and which are so good for us, which are positive. they are not looking so good from the outside,
Hmm.
but good for our health.
Oh, very good.
And if we tried, even after telling that you shouldn't do that, but if we do, then the result we have to face. And
Who has bad wolf, and I think who has bad wolf, they unable to face that is bad thing, isn't it? But who has good wolf, they can automatically convert into prosperity, isn't it?
even that is,
Ability to face a huge suffering, and who has bad wolf, they unable to face huge suffering, and who has good wolf, the ability to face huge suffering. Yes, if you have good wolf, if you have positivity, have all type of adversity, all type of misery, difficult, everything you can face because you have positivity, you have good wolf, and you have solution. All type of problem doesn't matter, you easily can solve because you have good wolf. And who has bad wolf, they unable to solve their problem. Even easiest problem it appear in front of them, they are unable to solve them because they have bad wolf. Okay, my daughter, okay, go on. I am already told that is good wolf mean your soul, and bad wolf mean your mind. Soul and mind always running opposite direction to each other.
of course, they are running, and it is necessary to run because if it runs just in one way, I mean, there is no meaning of positive. There is negative, so there is the value of positive, and not everyone can run in this positive way because to control ourselves, that is not a childish game. That is too difficult. But if we continuously practice, then it will be easy for us to control ourselves. And one day, of course, we will be positive person.
Yes, positive person mean everyone has positive and negativities. That is two wolf. Positivity always your soul. That is you always going to tell that is my hand, my book, my face, my neck, um, my hair, my teeth, my tongue, everything. Who telling? Who is telling? That that is soul, isn't it? There is also your mind also telling that is my mind. But one thing, that is bad wolf also telling mind. Good also never telling mind. That is who intend hard work, and they achieve their goal. If you have million rupees and other has billion rupees, that his hard work. And you have million rupees, if you have 1,000 rupees, that is your hard work, your destiny. And he has billion rupees, then his destiny. No need to compare each other. Be satisfied. That is soul trait, soul property. And your mind property, oh, immediately start to compare. Oh, this type of billion rupees I have, must have. This thought bring, that is negativity. Your mind. Thank you, my daughter. Thank you. I love you.
Yeah.
Do you have anything to tell? Finally, 1
To
minute.
practice is to make yourself positive.
Yes.
And you can be important to someone, but not to everyone. You may be important to your parents, but not to everyone.
How to know about your soul and how to achieve your prosperity, how to achieve that is good wealth. Everything already someone had written on scripture. Rishi Muni already had written on their scripture. Ramayana, Ved, how many kind of Upanishad. You need to reach there and you need to read this, the book, the Shastra that is open. And it's two type of weapon. Weapon also two type. One deadly weapon made by iron and other one made by knowledge. Isn't it? Thank you.